Hello guys. So today I am going to play some Geometry Dash. Hold on, it's loading. Oh my god, sorry about the Windows thing. Yeah, I played some levels, but I'm not really good at them. Come on. I'm gonna be surprised if I do this on my first try. Dang it! Alright, let's do this. Buttery! Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, almost there. Almost there. Yes! I got that coin. Got that coin. No! Oh! God! Dang it! Oh my god. Ooh. Yes. We better set up. Alright. Let's play this, guys. Dang it. Just relax. Ooh, it's cold. I want to go out there. Today we're gonna try to get past the 3 levels. If we can't, anyway, you should just like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell because I'm going to be uploading. Oh, also I need to remind you Merry Christmas. And I shouldn't. I wanted to upload this on Christmas, but I forgot about it, and I was tired of never remembered about it. So just yes, I finally got a coin. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. No! Yeah! I was so close to the end. I'm gonna make it. Ah, this is hard, even for a first level. That's right, guys. I'm still on the first level, Stereo Madness. And I'm pretty madness right now. So, the title experiencing my feelings for me. Thanks, title. Okay, gotta do this, gotta do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Come on, come on. You can do this next. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. No, why'd I go up there? Okay, Max, get ready. Get ready. Yes! I'm itching my nose. So there. Ugh, it's so laggy! Oh my god. Dude, we already been recording for like 6 minutes and 13 seconds. I'm still on the freaking first level. No, I'm not gonna go for any of the coins. I'm just try to get out of this level. No, no, that was close. No! No! Yeah! 100%! I'm not gonna talk. Starting now. Let's do this. Come on. Alright, talk. Not talking challenge. I stopped. No, 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 no. Don't know my computer. Popo. Popo. I can't Popo. No, no. Oh my god. No! stupid three things. So guys wanna know what happens? And see it, I think I was about to die. Yes! I'll be right back. Hi, I'll put this up. Please, please charge, please charge, please charge. Yes! Charging! So this video can last more. Oh, I only have 2 minutes before my recording stops. So I guess, I gotta create a thumbnail for this later. Oh my god. Slowly, slowly. Come on, come on. You're slow. Slow. It's slow. Come on, come on. You can make it. You can make it. I only have 2 minutes left for my recorder pauses. Come on, come on, come on. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. Dang it! I'm gonna get so freaking done. No coins. No coins. Jump, 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 jump. Straight in the middle, straight in the middle, straight in the freaking middle. Frickin' bacon. A freaking bacon. Ah, no! No! Taco Bell! Taco Bell! Taco Bell! No! A small victory. Oh no! Oh no! I only have 2 minutes left. Still 2 minutes. I don't know. Wait. Here. Come on! Come on! Come on! I can do this. I can do this. I was wrong. I thought it was 12 minutes, but I guess it's 15. Come on! Come on! Come on! There. Okay. I'm done with this freaking game. So that is it for this video. So you should like and subscribe and buy my card sign. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.